Let me show you one of our most anticipated products. It's called the Ori Cloud Bed. It's been quite a journey since we built some of these early prototypes back at MIT of beds that were dropping from the ceiling to now having this, fully kind of certified product ready for the market. One of the things that makes this product really work is the industrial design by Ken Larson, an MIT professor and one of our co-founders. And the bed is up. There's another full functionality. So you can see how the back of the couch, gets embraced by the bed, becoming the headboard, and how the armrests of the couch become your side tables with power integrated. That's one. The other important thing is the canopy system. One thing we realized early on is that when you see something like a bed, like a heavy object, like a bed going up into the ceiling, you don't want to feel like that heavy thing above your head. So we basically create this canopy system that makes it look much more like a drop ceiling. The bed is actually not hanging from the ceiling. The bed is actually cantilevered from this wall where all the mechanisms are. So think about all the counterbalances and all the motors that are behind this wall that grab the bed and move it up and down. It's a cantilever with its own weight, but when the bed comes all the way down, you have the legs that go in and out that actually allow you to support all the weight. And then what you need to understand is this whole system is completely disentangled. Because of the way the couch is designed, it's actually designed so the center of gravity is in the right place. So this system doesn't fall, even if we were to install this thing in the middle of a room. So think about it as, 4 kind of small drywall anchors that don't even go into structure, just into drywall, just for additional stability. And then the canopy system, which is just a lightweight kind of lighting feature, it has 2 drywall anchors just for additional stability. And that's it. Like with all the other Ori products, safety first. The Cloud Bed is also UL certified. So all the safety and reliability features that you enjoy from our pocket closets or studio suites, you're gonna see the same exact features in the Cloud Bed. Quick example of that, if I press the button, you'll see the bed coming down and you'll see how I can very easily, again, a couple of fingers, stop the system will back up. If the power goes out, the system becomes manual. So if I just unplug the system real quick, you can see how the lights actually go off, obviously. But you can see how the leg actually automatically drops. And that's important because by doing that, this gets reachable to me, and I can just manually and very easily drop the bed. Not as magical as the interface or your voice, but you can actually drop your bed and go to sleep. The very exciting thing about this space, which is actually 12 feet by 11 feet, is that it's the first example of an Ori assembly. And that means that 2 Ori products are working together. So the bed just went into the ceiling, so we went from bedroom into living room. You also have on this large Ori pocket closet, you have a home office on this side. But if I press the closet button here, what's gonna happen is that your walk-in closet is gonna show up on the other side. So in that small space, you're getting bedroom, living room, office, and walk-in closet. As you can see here with the large Ori pocket closet, which in this case has oak finishes, you get a pretty massive walk-in closet. And I think this is a great story of the pocket closet family of products because right now we are standing on a 3 feet by 8 feet space, which is quite a bit of square footage. But as soon as I'm done with this experience, I'm gonna be able to collapse the space and get back my living room.